na mwingine anaanguka hapo akichukua bunduki. It's the level of responsibility among the NCOs and the officers. Let's all be good people and let's be responsible to the positions that we have been given. And I think the way the county commander has spoken, be accountable. And I'm so happy with that statement. Be accountable for the actions of the people under you. And I'm sure the way he has said, the regional commander will take action. And we said we encourage the regional commanders to be able to do transfers within the region and to discipline decisively within the region so that we can make faster progress. The OCS Lare amesema hiyo tumedeal naye. True juvenile cells, waheshimiwa, tunauliza nyinyi, mko na pesa ya security kidogo, tembeeni kwa police station, msaidie kuweka juvenile cells. Even the cells try to improve them. And I want to advise you why. One of these days you are likely to be a customer in the same very cells. Ana mimi niko sasa nilikuwa nimefungiwa pale Gigiri. Nataka nikipata kama milioni 1 niende niitengeneze. Sawa, lakini nilipanga hapo nikawekwa ile akina mama wakawaachiliwa ndio nikae peke yangu. So those cells, most of them police stations were built during the colonial time. They have not seen a coat of paint for 40 years. Unakuta pale usiesi ile furniture amekalia iko na shimo, ameweka karibu pilo 3, there is still a hole. Siko namna hiyo usiesi. I want to encourage members of the National Assembly, let us support our officers, let us try to rehabilitate these police stations. The cells, we try to do it, the drainage system, give it a coat of paint, mtafute furniture kidogo, you assist these members of the National Police Service so that we also dignify the offices ambaye wanafanyia kazi. Again, intimidation from the political side, hakuna mtu. Nimemwambia wacha wale wengine, hawa wetu wa Kenya kwanza. If they call you atakwambia atakupiga transfer, it's just a threat. You will go nowhere. Akikupigia kuambia ataenda transfer, mwambie ongea na Professor Kidiki. Hiyo simu atakata na hiyo maneno itaisha.